So we are going to get straight into this video. We are going to start with 1/3 a cup of flax seeds, and then we're going to add 2 cups of water. Then we're going to bring this pot over to the stove and allow it to boil. So once you see it starting to foam up at the top, you are going to want to just keep stirring it and checking the consistency. You do want this mixture to be a little thick, but not too thick, because it does cool down. It does thicken when it cools down. So you are going to want to constantly check the consistency. So right now it is quite thin. So I'm going to leave it to boil probably for another 2 minutes or so. And at this point right now, I'm going to take it off of the stove because it has thickened and it will continue to thicken as it cools. I am then just going to place it into a jar while it's hot so that it is still super easy to strain, and I don't have to use like a stocking or a cheesecloth or anything like that. I can just use like a regular metal strainer. So here I'm just jiggling it a little bit just to get the gel to flow through the strainer. But I did take a spoon and just stir it around just to allow the residual gel to fall through into the jar. And that was how much gel I was left back with. So all the seeds that are left over, I am just going to let this cool, but I am going to keep it in my freezer for future gel. So we are going to start on wet hair. This is not freshly washed. This is just wet. So my hair is not washed or anything. I just wet it. It was like I wore it already, like it's just not freshly washed. Okay. So yeah, so this is what we're looking like. I usually like to start from the back and then work my way up. So we're gonna go in sections to kind of layer this baby. Okay. I need some hair elastics. So for the final reveal, here we go. Let's see how this did. I'm actually very excited to see how it turns out because it'll be a game changer, because flax seeds are so healthy for your hair. So if it works, do we see growth in our future? All right, let's go. And also I stole this from my brother when he was trying to get waves, and I love it, so now it's mine. It's like this TSU cap. There's no tag on the inside, so I'm actually not sure where it's from. I have no idea, but it's great. It has like these 2 compartments. Anyway, it's not a review. But yeah, here is what we are looking like. And I just braided the ends just to keep my hair stretched, because type 4 hair not being stretched is not a good idea. So yeah, we've just braided it to keep it stretched. It's still wet. It will be wet for a very long time, but this is what we are working with. So yeah, it's not bad. I'm definitely still a little bit more frizzy, but that's okay. I don't mind the frizziness for just like an everyday occasion. Now there are some instances where you want that sleek look, and honestly for type 4 hair, sometimes in order to get like a really sleek look, you'll have to blow dry your hair and do it on already stretched hair, but flaxseed gel definitely wouldn't work for that. So yeah, if you're going for a super sleek look, definitely don't recommend flaxseed, but for everyday slick backs, you know, a little edge control, because it's actually pretty like tough here. Now if you're sweating, not gonna work. It's not gonna hold up for sure. But it is pretty hard on the edges. Yeah, it's pretty hard around the edges, so it should hold. But yeah, this is definitely like on a scale of light to hard hold, I would say it's moderate, which is actually pretty good, which is right in the middle. So that's pretty good for everyday slick backs that you just want something a little quick, something to go. Yeah, this is definitely like light to moderate, because my edges are hard, but here is not hard. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, please comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.